Welcome to Jazz Time. Today we're going to be reviewing the Rolex Submariner two-tone Submariner 116613LB. We're going to do an unboxing, a review, show you how it works. Here we go. Bam! That's the watch itself. And you see, here it comes factory fresh. It comes with this bezel protector. Let's take it off. And there it is. It comes with a ceramic bezel, this maxi dial. Maxi meaning the hour markers are a little bit fatter. Okay, what separates this from the older version? Many things, and I'll go through that in another review, but today we're going to show you this watch and what it comes with. Let's put that back in here. You have this little flip down for the new 2015 and later boxes. They come with this new style warranty card, has a model number and a serial number. And on the back side, it's an international warranty, by the way, has the name of the official retailer, purchase date, blah, blah, blah. That's the warranty card. Here's the pouch that it comes with, and on the back it comes with some guarantee manual, a bunch of different languages, and I guess that's it. Now, the watch itself, sometimes it comes with these two hang tags, which is a COSC certified hang tag. Sometimes they don't, just depends on the dealer. Okay. Now let's take a look at the watch itself, which is the more important thing here. This is the Oyster band. Oyster meaning it differentiates it from another popular band, which is the Jubilee band. This Oyster has these fatter links right here. Has this stainless steel on the outside and gold in the center where my finger's running. And it has a very, very innovative and new type buckle. Now I'm going to pop this open. And you might just think, well, it's just a buckle. Well, here's the cool thing about this watch and this buckle and the way that Rolex designed it. Do you see this part here where I'm about to pull it out like this? Pop, you heard that, right? Now, you see those little rivets in there? I can size this watch. Let's say I get hot or cold. I can move it left or right. Now, I've just increased it so that it'll fit, you know, when I'm hot, or let's say, I don't know, let's say you had to let your friend borrow it, or your dad borrow it, or whatever. Now you can increase the size of it, and the watch looks exactly the same, except you've changed the size of it just from here. So this is like a micro adjustment, but I wouldn't even call it a micro adjustment. I'd call it more like a macro adjustment. Okay, so now this could fit. They did this so that it can fit over the sleeve of your wetsuit, because presumably the Submariner is a tool watch, meaning it should be used for those who are diving or are doing sea-related activities. And a lot of times you're wearing a wetsuit, you might want to fit this over your wetsuit. So I'm going to go ahead and move that in again so you guys can see. I popped it out, slide it in, push it back in, voila. And that's how easy it is to change this this bracelet size. Okay, of course you obviously can take out these links, but who's got the time to take out the links when you're diving? Okay, so you can size it and then get a micro adjustment for the watch just by using that diver extension. And that's in contrast to what it used to be like, where you didn't have that adjustability. And that's what makes one of the things that makes this new style one so cool. Now you'll notice here, of course, that the bracelet, of course, is in gold. And they make three variations of this watch. They make it in all stainless steel, which is going to be very rugged. They make it in all gold, which is very prestigious. And they make it in the steel and gold, which is what you see here. Now, why would you want to go with a steel and gold? Well, let's say you like the prestige of the gold, but you don't want the malleableness of the gold on a sports watch. So you might want to go somewhere in between. And you notice that they put the gold in the center, not the outside. They did that so that the watch would have steel on the outside so that it could withstand pressure. Okay. Another change that they made from the older version to the newer version is they have this ceramic bezel. And the bezel is this thing that my finger is going around. And you'll wonder, well, what's it for? Well, why did they make it ceramic? And the reason is because this is probably the one of the places that the watch gets the most amount of damage, because you're wearing it on your wrist, you bump it or whatever, and it scratches or it fades with time. Now Rolex has figured a workaround on that, and then they've made the bezel out of ceramic, so it will not fade, it will not scratch. It'll look just like this 10 years from now. or even 20 years from now, pretty much forever. Now let me bring your attention to a couple other things. The watch itself has all these stickers, and these stickers are because the watch is brand new. All right. Now, I'm not going to go into showing you how to work this watch. That's in our other videos. If you like those, you can search our other videos on this channel. I'm going to go ahead and try this watch on, show you guys what it looks like at home. Okay, there it is. That's the Rolex Submariner 116613LB Blue ceramic. Did you like this video? If you have any comments, tell me below. I want to hear them. If you like this video or you want to see videos like this, hit the subscribe button. We've got lots of videos coming, and we'd like to know what you think. Do you want us to review something else? Let us know. Or check us out at jazztime.com. We got this watch, many other watches. We offer a 1-year warranty, free shipping, and a low price guarantee. Check us out at jazztime.com. Thanks.